Today I will introduce you a very good tool to help you out. First, let's go to Google, enter quick text, paste, and search it, and go to the first one. This is the download page. I will put the download link in the comment. After that, we choose here, download, and then we just choose the first one. It works well for you. Let's download. After download, let's go to the folder and extract it. Let's go to the folder and open it. When you open the software, probably you have the different content here. Sometimes you have many content. Don't worry, they are the same. I will introduce you step by step. For example, you will use a sentence quite often, such as should you have many questions, please easy to let me know. Maybe you need to write down this sentence in every email, but you just want to make it simple. For me, here you can choose the different one, such as I can change it to control, and I choose number 1. I edit. Now let's go to email. I create a new email. I write down the content here. Dear John, thank you for your quick response. And here, if I just press Control and 1 at the same time, you see, this is the result. I don't need to enter it one word by another word. I don't need to do that. Another thing maybe you would like to enter is your email address. Let me enter. Right. And you also use a control and 2. I edit. Let's go back to the email. My email is control and 2. You see, your email address is here. It's quite convenient. What if I use the same shortcut for 2 sentences? Are there any updates? I also use the control 1. As I did. Let's go back to email. Let me click Control and 1. You see there are 2 choices. One is are there any updates? The other one is should you have any questions? Please don't hesitate to let me know. You just choose it here. That will work. There's another thing you need to know is password. You can enter your password. For example, your password is wonderful 1, and I set it as Windows, left Windows key, and plus A. I edit. After you set up the password, you can also use an email. I press Windows A. Password you can use it anywhere, like in your ERP. It's not important, and in your own system, in your company system, you would like to just use the same password. It's very convenient. I would like to show you another one. For example, you can enter your phone number. Okay, assume this is your phone number. I choose left Windows plus C. Add it here. I go back to this contact and create a new Word document. My phone number is Windows C. This is your result. Another one very useful is the date. Sometimes you need to enter the date. Every day when you deal with data, probably you need to enter today's date again and again. So let's go back to the download page. Go back again. There's a quick text paster FAQ. Let's click it. When we are in this page, just choose Ctrl F. There's a date. You see, this is the date you would like to use. Open this one. Here it has a different function of date. For example, if you would like to enter March 09, 2021, how can I choose it? Okay, let's go to this page. First, we would like to have the long months. We copy this long month here. Enter it to here. After that, we choose the date. Date, you can choose 1 digit or 2 digits. Let me choose 2 digits here. And the next one is year. This one I choose the left Windows key and Z. Edit. Let's create a new Excel. Let's give a shot. Windows Z. You see, this is the date. But I would like to make a little change. Add a comma here. Add it to Windows Z. And I would like to delete the previous one. Here, just right click this one and delete it. Let's go back to Excel, enter a new one. Windows Z. You see, now I would like to have a space between March and nice. So let's go back to here. I add a space in the middle. Add it to Windows Z. Let me delete the old one. This one. Let's give a shot. Windows Z. You see, this is the result. How about I would like to enter another date, 2021-03-09. So I would like to go back to here to the format date. First, copy the year. After that, format of months. After that, format of date. This time, I would like to edit like Windows X. Add one. Let's give a shot to here. Windows X. This is the date format. At the same time, you can add a dash in the middle. Let me choose Windows B. And edit. Choose Windows B. Okay, this is the format. Please also be aware that for this software there are different languages. When you go to here, you click LNG. There are different language choices. You can convert to Chinese. You can convert to Dutch. You can also convert back to English. Enter any text you want. That's all for today's introduction. Thank you for watching.